Oh my, dude, big one right there, bro. Got him. I got him. I got him. Dude, that's a big one, dude.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Crank Dat Bait Fishing. Today, we're at Chisago / South Lindstrom / North Lindstrom Lake today. Me and my dad fish this lake a lot, but we usually go for crappies. Today, we're gonna go for bass. I've seen some people pull out some 7-pounders from here, so we're gonna try to fish fast with cranks, go to some deep spots, and see if we can find them. Stay tuned, let's go! All right, guys, here we are at the first spot. Trolling motor down. I'm gonna be deep cranking. Try to fish fast. Try to find where these fish are at. Water is pretty stained. Jeez. All right, guys, so we just got done fast fishing this bank behind me in like 20 feet of water, but we didn't catch anything, so we're gonna go one more round that way and stay in like the 10 to 15-ish feet of water and see if we catch anything.
Oh, that's a, oh, he broke me off. That was a pike. Ah, dang, gotta be tight now. Control.
All right, guys, not a good start. We fished this whole side deep and we tried hitting docks, but we didn't catch anything. So on the Navionics map, there's like the spot that says has stumps. I don't know if that's correct or not, but we're gonna go check it out. Let's go.
Yeah. All right, the spot that has stumps. We'll see.
Focused. Yep. All right, guys, we cannot figure out these fish. We fish deep, we fish shallow. I'm thinking there's some pads over there. We're gonna hit them up and see if they're under the pads, but tough day so far. Let's go.
Oh, he missed.
You hit it?
Yeah.
Got one. Oh, dirty.
Not a big one, but first one of the day. I think we're hopefully finding a pattern here.
Oh my, dude, big one right there, bro. No, don't get stuck. Dude, dude, that was huge, bro. That was like a 5-pounder head right there. Frick, dude. Come on. Please, win, please. Work with me, Ooh, got him, got him. I got him, I got him. It's a small one though. The big one's over there, bro. Big one's over there, big one's over there. That's a small one. The big one's still over there.
All right, guys. So moving towards the pads, we did catch some fish, but it was a bunch of dinks. It was also really hard to throw some frogs because it was so windy, so it just blew like the frogs all over the place. But hey, we still got like 2-3 fish over there, so I guess that's a win for now. But it's pretty slow day right now. We're gonna go to the other side of the lake, North Center, I believe. We'll see if we catch some big ones over there. See you over there. Oh, going. Oh, well, it's about to get shallow, so guess it's frog fishing time. It's about to get froggy.
Dude, that's a big one, dude. Oh, frick. That's a 3-pounder at least. That's a 3-pounder. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's go. Yes. Yes. Let's go, guys. Finally. Finally. 3-pounder. After struggling this whole day.
3, I'm pretty sure. Let's try. Three, two. Let's go, baby. Let's go, guys. 3-pounder on the frog. You already know. How did these boats even get out? What the heck? $1-pounder. Wasn't even paying attention. Thanks, buddy. Oh shit. Dang. Did I get through those pads? I lost them. That sucks. It's okay. He wasn't big. Well guys, we're back here in this like frog city over here with all these pads. But that 3-pounder you guys saw I caught earlier was the only big one that was here. And then we caught like 2 dinks and a few small misses, but I don't know. We're gonna check out another spot over there. It looks like there's like a little canal that connects to a tiny little lake. We're gonna head over there and see what it's all about. Maybe if it looks like this, that's good. If I don't know, we'll see if we'll be able to fish it. Not doing well today. Not a single one. Well, we're back to the first spot that we came to today. Don't know if we're gonna catch anything, but worth a try. Maybe since it's darker now. That's a fish, bro. I got one. Yes. What's up, guys? Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, man. Today was a super tough day. We caught one nice 3-pounder though, and a bunch of dinks after that, a bunch of missed blow-ups as well. But today we only fished the north and south Lindstrom side. We haven't fished the Chisago side. So what we're gonna do is make this a 2-part series. So we'll be back at Chisago, and hopefully that side has the 5+ pounders that people are saying are in here. Hopefully we slam when we come back. Got anything to add?
No, I think that's it. Hopefully next time we come back we'll be better and stronger. We were kind of just kind of bummed out today, but with that being said, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.